Oh, he's got boxes.
What's happening, boys? This has come a couple days late.
It's turbo time today. Is that a thing? What was that from? Turbo time. It's turbo time? Isn't that a thing? I feel like that's a thing from something. Wasn't there like an Arnold Schwarzenegger movie with some sort of turbo something or other? Like a little action figure, whatever. Anyway, moving on. We're going and doing the pure turbo swap on Pat's XRS here. He should be here any minute now or whatever, but I'm gonna get started and pulling the cowling back off and start pulling some of the ECU and wiring and just start disassembly to get that little guy swapped in there. It's pretty wild how small these turbos are, yet they can still make the power that they do. Just cool packages, you know? They're pretty sweet setups. That pure turbo's pretty cool unit. Try to get this cool little duffer in there. Pretty nice little bullet nose on the compressor wheel here. I mean, it's just crazy how small these things are. Look at them. They're so cute. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're hoping to knock this whole turbo swap out in one day today. You know, hopefully not be out here crazy late or crazy long. Two of us should be able to knock it out pretty quick. So I'm gonna get after it. So we got you one normal set and one really big set. So careful with these big hogs. Put these down low, hopefully. Get them out of the way. So keep this one up here.
Oh yeah, they haven't gotten hard yet.
Yeah, I'm not gonna crumble to pieces. Actually, yeah, because we can just do that and then pull it up to the handlebar and keep it out of the way.
The top one's all gonna stay the same.
Yeah. Yep.
It's the lower one that's gonna use the rubber hose.
Oh yeah, because that has to come
That's why
here.
that's why you gave us that little barb connector. It goes into here.
Yeah.
Because this is a metal pipe all the way.
Right.
So we'll disconnect it here, and that's bolted on. It'll whole thing come off.
Yep.
This one will retain the factory. That's factory.
Yep.
The bottom one is.
Oil, yeah, the oil return is pretty damn close too.
Yep.
Okay. They don't want any of this stuff leaking, huh?
No.
Really? Let's see, how many times do you think I'll fucking jab my fingers with this thing? Nasty.
I think this one we should take off the engine.
Really? And then do it on the bench?
Well, how much flex do you think there's really going to be in that little hose right
not
there?
a ton.
If we undo it here,
Yep.
and then everything will just come straight off.
Just take it off both at the same time.
Yeah, take
just
the
pull a little line right out.
Line right off.
Yep. Go for it. Come on. Yeah, maybe it was your fault. He'd have enough of you.
Oops.
Yeah, the whole thing. I guess so. This one over here, this coolant one is not fun.
Can't get that one to release? Oh, you got her now.
Oh yeah, I got it started. It was just getting
gonna run now.
just getting it rotated and then getting everything situated. It's not that it was hard, it's just not as easy as the other one. Well, yeah, it was.
Cute little oil line here.
Oh, you got it out already? Didn't even make a mess. This is oh my god, look at the dust come off this thing. What the fuck? What did you what are you doing? Jesus! Keep it right there. I'll get a plug. I got a whole plug kit.
Just a little bit in the elbow, that's all.
Let's see what size fits here. Let's try. Oh, that's too big, huh? That's awesome. We're getting closer. Oh, that's the stuff.
Like a glove.
That's the stuff.
So the oil line's loose.
Oh, you got that in there? Got that?
So I think it's going to be easier to pull it off after we unbolt it.
Yep.
Unless you think we ought to try to pry it off there now.
As long as the clamp's off, like you said, it'll probably fish right up
I
out
don't
there.
think it's going to come off hard.
Yep.
Once we unbolt it, I think it can tilt it up and pop that line off.
Just happened in my pocket.
Probably have to walk that one out with the manifold.
Oh, it's the Torx bit, so you got a long Torx?
Well, the whole bolt head is going to hit on the heat shield. It's not going to back out. You know what I'm saying? We can just walk it out with the manifold, it'll be fine. Right. With the Torx bit on. One for you. Yep. It should start coming out. It's just going to be that oil line. She'll go. We got one left.
Oh, there's one up top here.
Oh shit, missed one.
Well,
I
it
got
feels
two
pretty
excited.
solid. I didn't think it'd be that strong. Yeah, but I don't come right out now. I can get a little angle to it.
Grab that gasket. Paper thin there.
Oh yeah. Oil line come right off smooth as butter.
Did it?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Now,
Yeah, I was gonna say we got full shaft out.
let's hold the engine.
Let me know if you need me to do anything. Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep filming you.
Watch me fumble with this.
Yeah, that's right. Yep. It's like a Jenga or Tetris puzzle here.
We'll find the right angle.
Oh yeah, there you go. She'll go. A couple more wiggle worms here and there. Oh, oh, oh. Oh no, your fan.
Your fan's gonna
Your
fuck
fan.
Well, I think the fan has to come out.
You almost had it over here. Can you rotate it back this way? Oh. That stupid riveted in bracket.
I think the fan has to come out.
Oh, you almost got it though.
Fan's one bolt. You think it's gonna clear?
Hang on, you here. Why don't you take this thing? Charlie, grab a hold of that fucker there. Oh, oh, oh. Hang on. Let me get a turn on.
Okay, she's all yours. While you're doing that, I'll take the fan out.
No. How do you even get this in this position here? Do not take the fan out. I don't know how you got this to where it is though. You hosed me.
Now,
Oh, hang on.
Now it's my fault.
I'm moving. I'm grooving right now. I'm gonna get this thing up out of here without that fucking fan.
You're thinking it'll go this way?
Who designed this, you know? Damn it.
It's one bolt.
Yeah, all right, pull that fucking fan out of there. I'm getting hungry. Almost had it. Boom.
Butter.
Yeah, gotta pull the fan.
Smooth as butter.
That wasn't too bad. Got the old unit out. There's the new pure unit. That wasn't bad. Took it like about an hour. Two of us, 2.5, three of us
Yeah.
getting in here.
First time.
Yeah, not so bad.
It would have been quicker if we didn't already have the ECU.
Yeah, I mean we did kind of double up the labor there on putting everything together and then pulling it back out and whatever, but that's not too bad.
We did a full mop-up, that's all.
That's right. fill us in real quick on what we got going on here, because we have the time lapse of what we did.
What
but
are we
let's
going to call
explain it real
this?
quick.
This is surplus parts that we
Yeah,
found
this
a
is
use for.
This is stuff that's been in my bench for 2 years since I had a 900T.
And it seems how we like shiny aftermarket pieces.
Yep. We got the nice Tile MVI 2.5. This I got from Wayland way back in the day. We took the old original unit, right? And then when we did the 2 turns that Martin wants,
Yep.
checked our crack pressure with the Mighty Vac, and then we set this tile to that same pressure base. So we should be good to go for duty cycle and all that stuff. And yeah, we're about ready to go ahead and throw this bad boy right in. So we're replacing all the used, oh fucking Christ. Placing all the used beat up Nordlock washers here, these serrated type washers with some new ones. I've got a pile of them that are a little bit bigger in diameter, so you get a little bit more surface area to lock right in, because on other sleds in the past we've seen these things loosen up a little bit. So we're going to replace them on the outlet side and the manifold to the cylinder head side, just so we don't have anything coming loose over time. So you can see these are the old ones that came out, and I'm pretty sure, I'm guessing Pure had that flange off, or at some point someone did, because these things are whooped.
Yeah, because the inside of the housing has machine work done to it.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm sure they had them off and then back on, and those couple times on and off just takes the serrations right off of them. See how flat they are and worn out. So you got nothing left to lock into the head of that bolt or the mating surface down there.
Charlie, will you hold that for a second? There you go. Oil pipe on.
Let me get this, a couple thingies, yep. All right, top right is good. It's terrible. They're like, what are these fucking thread-in studs people are putting in the lug of their track? And I'm like, this shit's 10 years old. What are you guys talking about?
Back in 03, my F7.
Yeah.
Fine, you must be in a dark web, because I wouldn't know how to find an Articat chat forum.
The real racers are gonna have data soon. It's like, what, is it draggy, not real data? Fucking dork.
Exhaust manifold torque specs.
Woo, here we go.
29 Newton meter.
Can you change the gauge style, like the font style? Or are you stuck on?
I don't see any way to do that.
Yeah, because see, right now you're on Arctic Cat.
Right.
We could ask for it to not have to go through the steering section there, but we're clear on everything, so it's not a big deal. P clamps are dialed. Yeah, see, it doesn't moves up here in the top one, but that one's pretty good.
Give that a little squeeze with the vice grip on
Yeah,
that
we'll
move.
lock her in a little bit.
Meant to be.
That would have been cute. We got oil pouring out everywhere. You might hose yourself. Get it? Because you're playing with a hose. Get it? Hose? Hose or something?
I think I got it.
We'll test tap. Ready to go. One little screw left over here. Right? Yep, that guy. Where do those? We've got the 210s back onto those.
Those
Not
go
up
through
there.
with the hood.
Yeah. There's nothing in those. That's what I was wondering. I saw them yesterday and I was like,
Well,
well,
where's the, let me look at the computer. I don't think there's any bolts that held that on.
I don't think they were.
It just snapped on.
I don't know where else they would have went. They don't go on the side. They don't go up top.
Well, we didn't throw away anything. Those would have held on.
Right.
It's kind of spooky. Wall battery mount.
Yep.
Battery cover.
Yep. That's it.
We'll just put the hood on. We won't bolt it in. We'll just run it and make sure there's no leaks.
Yep. Yep. Now you should be good.
You know he's gonna hit the two-step. You know
Sounds fine.
I don't like ready to slide.
All the packing insulation and shit. Wow. You can see it really good on this side. It's just right under that heat shielding. It's just billowing right out of it. So what do we got in here? Yeah.
Well, we got a little selection of drivers for a couple of different projects we're in the middle of here. We got some
Look at them crammed in there.
cat style
Yep.
top secret.
Well,
You know,
Yeah.
10 to 252.
yep. We've seen those around before.
Yeah, they're not.
Actually, we've seen all of these before.
Yeah, this isn't standard stuff, I guess. All right.
Yep.
And then on extra 10
Yep.
to 252 for that guy.